Hi guys, so in this section we will discuss about JavaScript object. Okay, so let's see. You see this stand alone variable, like we'll define this variable like that, but it won't define any purpose. So object is nothing but to combine some variable and define an object. So here if you see, we have defined one human object. Human mean anybody who is having name, height and weight, and a function which is like sleep. So it create a purpose. So to define a object in JavaScript, just you where human equal to only curly braces, you to define all your properties. This called properties. Okay, so name equal to Anil, height equal to 160, weight equal to 80, and all are separated by commas. And to define a function, you do like function name colon and function, and just you write down your what action is doing. So this thing called properties and this behavior called a methods. So this object human have some name, height, weight and it sleep. So we have defined one object. Okay, so all variable called properties are already discussed, and action, these are action called methods. It is a key value pair kind of thing, like name Anil. So this is a key and this is a value, and to access this thing just you do object dot property name, and you want to call method object dot method name. So this is how JavaScript object work. So let's write some code for that. Okay, so I define one same where human, one object which having name, age and height, and one flash calls one function called sleep. Okay, and it print I am sleeping. Okay, so let I just commenting. Okay, okay, so now I'm here I'm printing human dot is access the, it will access the age. Okay, just run configuration, it will print 26. Okay, now we'll go again there, and now what we are doing in here, we are getting the properties of a human object and incrementing by 2. Okay, so we can do that there, and then I'm printing, and that way you can call the method. Okay, so let's run this program again. So it will print 26, 28, and I am sleeping. 26, 28, and I am sleeping. Okay, so we have called method also. Now let's go here. Now you want to add a new variable, you can do like that. In that new property to this object, you can do like I weight I added to this. Okay, so we can add a new property like that. So we added one property. Now run this program. So 26, 28. Okay, let me comment all those things so it will be easy for you to understand. So I will comment all this document dot write. Okay, now refresh this page. 80. So we added new property. You want to delete any properties, you can do with this delete keyword, and now you just see, and then we are accessing again is undefined because we are trying to print which already deleted. So this is just little brief about JavaScript object. Thank you.